Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly refill your T-Mobile prepaid plan online, with or without signing into your account. If your T-Mobile prepaid plan is running low or your service stopped suddenly, it usually means your balance expired or your renewal didn't process. Many users try refilling online, but get stuck on logging issues, payment errors, or the website not showing the refill option. Don't worry, I'll show you the exact places to refill your prepaid balance, the fastest method to restore service, and how to avoid payment problems in the future. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Go to the official T-Mobile refill page. Open your browser and visit T-Mobile's official prepaid refill page. This page works even if you're not logged in. Step 2. Enter your T-Mobile phone number. Type in the prepaid number you want to refill. Make sure you enter the correct digits. The system won't apply funds to the wrong line. If the site doesn't detect your number, switch to mobile data or refresh. Sometimes Wi-Fi interferes with the verification. Step 3. Choose your refill amount. Select the amount you want to add. Options vary from small top-ups to full monthly renewals. Pick the amount that matches your active plan. Step 4. Enter payment details. Use a debit card, credit card, refill card, or T-Mobile prepaid top-up PIN. If the payment fails, try a different card or use a refill PIN. Step 5. Confirm and submit payment. Tap Submit to process the refill. Your service usually restores instantly once the payment goes through. If your line was suspended, a successful refill will automatically reactivate it right away. And that's it. Your T-Mobile prepaid line should be refilled and active again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick carrier tutorials.